Crafty here with another haul from Craft Stash. I just thought I would show you what I got. First thing we've got are these textures by Lou Collins, and it's from the Reflections collection, and it's the word label outline die. At Christmas I actually did get the word stamps, didn't realise I did a die set for it, so it just saves all that faffing around and it'll give a nice crisp edge to it. So these was £5 in the sale. And then the next thing I got was this Paper Discovery Underwater World Beyond the Sea die set. This actually wasn't in the sale. This was £13.99, but I've got it because I'm actually doing an underwater mini album, so I thought this would be a perfect extra to go with that. And then they actually had a deal on, which was a really great deal. Basically it said if you spent £10 or more on Pretty Gets Gritty, you got this box set, the Paper Society box set, for half price. So because I fell in love with the ones I already have, that I showed you earlier on in the year or the back end of last year, I thought, right, I've got to get some more of these because I'm really enjoying using them. So the things I bought to make sure it was £10, I ended up spending more than £10, but I thought I'd get these bits. So the first thing we got was this Resist texture paste, and it's a big one, it's 150ml. I've never used it. I'm going to have to look up how you actually use this, but how fabulous. I don't think this was rather £5.99 or £5.50, I think there was. And then we've got this Pretty Amazing Cream in red. Again, not too sure what to do with this. Can't quite see how much is in this. Does it say on the lid? Yeah, there's 25ml on these. So again, I'm going to be looking forward to learning on how to use this. Bought was some black gesso. I haven't got any black gesso as far as I'm aware. Again, this was 150ml, and this was anything ranging from £5.50 to £6.50. So that's what I bought. But the main purpose was to get this box, so I'm intrigued to see what you get in it. And how pretty, can we just appreciate how lovely that they do the boxes for the Paper Society. And this one's even got a nice frilly edge along it. So there's some words there saying there are no wrong turns in creative journey by Lynette. And again, you've got your gorgeous folder here with, it's saying it's a Paper Box Society, box 28, and it's the Pretty Gets Gritty one. And then we've got the goodies in here, so we'll just do this box first. We'll go in the first pouch, and the first thing I spot is some stencils, and you're actually getting free stencils, which is just crazy. So yeah, so the first one looks like very florally to me. Then you've got the second one, which is very geometric with your squares and triangles. And then you've got like the box and then the circles going into hexagons, unless they're all hexagons. It could be. My eyesight ain't the best, so that's great for that. And then we've got some coordinating papers. So we have this lovely grey one. It's got a nice compass here, some circle squares, circly stencils type things, some arrows, and that's in a lovely grey. Then we've got it in a lovely teal colour, the same pattern. And then we've got like that flowery stencil in here and some flowers stamped on there, and a grey version. And then we've got lots of the circles again. Absolutely gorgeous papers. And then we've got some arrows. So they're your coordinating papers. And then we've got the first set of stamps, which is here, which you have seen all these like lovely stamps inside the coordinating papers. And you've got some sentiments saying life's a journey, not a race. Your direction is more important than your speed. Follow your soul, it knows the way, and take the chance. Some flowers and some more of these arrows and stuff. And then you have this circly style stamp down there. We're on to the next stamp. And then we've got the big compass here, which I absolutely love compass stamps. We've got this swirl of circles again, and then we've got lots of other bits and bats as well. And then we've got some sentiment saying, take every chance, drop every fear, go where you feel most alive, go wild for a while. So that's absolutely amazing to have all that in this. We've got 2 sets of stamps, 3 stencils and coordinating papers. And I just love how it all fits lovely in these lovely pouches. Gorgeous they are. Take out what's in here. This one feels quite heavy actually. And I'm so made up they've stopped putting this sticker on the tissue, because I do like to keep the tissue, and I always end up ripping it, so I'm glad they don't do that anymore. I hope that's how they'll continue to do it too. And it's like opening a little present. And here we are, I've got some more goodness. So we've got a miniature brayer, which I have actually got one of these. This one looks slightly damaged, but hopefully it'll still work perfectly fine. But how cute is this, guys? It's just like fits in the palm of your hand. It's so cool. Then we've got a little sponge dauber, a little mini blender really. Then we've got a stenciling tool to use the paste on your stencil. Then we've got some white gesso, decent sized pots as well. Then we've got some blue acrylic paint. And then we've got some acrylic paint in, it looks like a greyish colour. And then we have some coordinating cardstock in here, and we've got they're all like the blues and grey colours. I think you got 8 of those. Oh, and what's this? Oh, a gel media plate. Wow, I've never actually used one of these media plates before, and I'm not even sure how you actually use them. Well, this is where this really comes in handy. When the Paper Craft Society boxes, they give you so much information on how to do these, lots and lots. So let's have a quick gander. So these are like your projects you can make. It's telling you everything here what's in the box. So you can make this with Lynette, and it's going through everything there. Oh, I'm so excited, guys, to try this out. This is right up my street. I know you see a lot of pretty things on here, but this is where my heart lies, in all this grungy gorgeousness. I've just not really got back into doing it, but this is what I used to do many years ago, this mixed multimedia. It's absolutely stunning projects. Look at these tags. Amazing. So yes, more and more, loads and loads more in there. So yeah, guys, I think this ended up being £13.50 this box, because I spent the £10 on the other stuff. Absolute bargain. Hopefully I can get this up and they still have the offer on. And thanks again for watching, guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.